enable watermark on your images of the products, here go to settings. Here you can see the last one, watermark setting. Click over here. Now we will enable the watermark first. If this checkbox is not ticked, you cannot see the watermark on your site. But if I want to add it, I will just click over here. Here you can see it has three options, like if I want to mention any text for the watermark, if I want to mention the logo of my website, or if I want to add any other image. So we will see with the text first. Okay, suppose if I am mentioning the text over here as okay, here you can see the text color, whichever I want I can mention the text color also. We'll do one thing, we'll keep it as white only and just click on OK. Now you can mention the position of it. Suppose if you want on top left, top right, bottom left or center, accordingly you can save it. So here I am mentioning in the bottom right, else, and then I will save this. Now after enabling the watermark, the images whichever you will upload onto your website, the watermark will be available for those images only. The previous images which you have uploaded won't be seen with the with watermark, because that time our watermark was not there, so that won't be effective on the previously added images. Okay, so let's see how we will add the images from here. Just go to products. We will add the images over here. We will add a single image first. Here I can see watermark. And here I'll select the category and subcategory. I'll upload the image from here. Suppose this is my image. I'll select the okay. I can crop the image as well, and I'll just save it from here. Just give a price. Okay, so these are the basic details which we can save. Okay, and just save it. Now let's see on the website. Click on view store. We will check the recently uploaded product. Here you can see the watermark. The image size is not proper, that's why. So if you are uploading a proper image of the product, then the watermark can be seen very easily and very properly. We have mentioned the watermark as stylic fashion, so you can see the watermark over here. Now let's go to the another option, which was go to settings and again go to the watermark section. Another option is logo. Okay, so again you can change the like center, you can change the position and save it from here. Now again, if I am adding any of the products, here I'll add a single product. If you are adding multiple products also, that multiple products also will reflect with the same itself. So here I am adding, let's say, this product. Here you can see the image. Okay, and just save it. We will select the category and subcategory. And we will just save it from here. Now again go to your website, refresh it once. Here you can see the watermark is enabled over here. So here you can see the position of the watermark is in center, which we have already selected from there, and we have selected the logo, so the logo can be seen. Now same way we are having the third one. Again go to settings and watermark settings. Third one we are having as image. Suppose if I want to upload any of the image onto my product, I have to mention any of the images over there. So simply I'll select any of the image. Let's say here I am selecting this image, okay, and I'll just save it. Okay, here I am changing the position of it. Suppose it's top left, and just save it. Now again we will try once uploading any of the single products. Okay, if we go for this one, here we can select it, we can crop it according to our choice, and we will just save it from here. Again select the category and the subcategory, and just save it. Go to your website, refresh it once. Here you can see the image. You can see the image is uploaded as a watermark onto the product. We will just click on the product also, and we will see it properly here. So this is how the watermark things work. Suppose if you want to encrypt your image, so this way you can use the watermark settings. You can mention any of the text on your product images, you can mention the logo, or you can upload any other images also, so that your images of the product will be protected in this way.